Hello and welcome back to Creative Femme Adventures. I'm Violet.
And I am Gus.
And Johnny's in the back, he's taking a nap. And today we are going to show you a bit about Fort Davis, Texas. And we also have special guests again. And you'll see them in the next clip.
Hi there, I'm Gus's cousin and Itzel is my girlfriend. It's been a while I haven't seen you, so I'm glad we're here with you. So
That's awesome. Yeah.
What's your name?
Marco.
Okay, Marco.
Marco
Yay!
and Itzel.
Itzel, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for inviting us.
Yeah, let's have a great time in Fort Davis.
We're gonna show you Fort Davis in a really, really cool way.
Yeah.
Exploring the Desk Hike in Alpine next to Fort Davis. How you like it, babe? Carrying that little 80-pound baby.
It's fun. It's my only exercise, so I appreciate it.
Nice, nice. And then we have our guest Itzel here. And we are here at the desk. We made it, guys. Yay. John, you made it. You walked all this way, sir? With your horsey? Hi. Welcome to my office. Desk hike. We're almost done with it. It's been a good hike. Didn't think it was gonna be this fun. If you guys are ever in the Alpine area, I really recommend it. It's really awesome. Bring markers though, so you can write your names on the desk. Alrighty, so we are close to Fort Davis now. We are heading actually there from Alpine.
Don't eat me, please. What are your names?
Clay?
And Chris. Yay,
Yeah.
nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.
This is
Right now, my cousin, he's leaving. they're going back to their home, and they will be back next week for big band. Don't miss out.
Yeah.
Yes.
Woo! You're committed now. It's on camera. Drive safe, you guys. Love you. Take care. Bye.
Yep, this happened. The car overheated. Well, it's unfortunate, but you know, you guys have an awesome sunset.
I know.
Yeah. Life happens. So, the time is 2:30 a.m. And yeah, no, the car wasn't good. It kept overheating. We're all good. We didn't record anything. Now we're all good. They're ready to go to sleep. I'm ready to go back and see Violet and John, and off they go.
Bye.
It is now 5 a.m. and I just made it home. My work was waiting for me.
I was watching Netflix.
Today we are at,
Davis Mountain State Park.
thank you, and we're just gonna check it out, show you guys a view. It's been like a couple days that my cousin left. They're okay. Their car, they took it to Juarez and everything's all good. So now we're just gonna show you this scenic view of
The Davis Mountain State
Park, and we're also checking the Indian Lodge, so you guys can see it.
Yeah,
So-
they have the really cool hotel here that will show you what it looks like from the outside. So, yay!
Yeah, we'll show you guys.
Had more time, and if John was awake, we would probably go for a little hike right now, but we'll come back and do it another time most likely. But look at this view.
Alrighty. So welcome to Fort Davis. This place started in 1854, roughly around 4 to 5 years after the Guadalupe Hidalgo Treaty. And what that means is that this used to be Mexico, from Texas all the way to Utah to California. Yeah, right? So they established Fort Davis right here 4 years after the treaty because they were getting raids and pushed back from Mexicans or the Mexican tribes. Part of those tribes were the Cherokee, the Navajos. They're all around this southern area. They were fighting for their territory. So the U.S. was also fighting for the new territory that they invaded. And because they already signed the treaty and they talked to the dictator of Mexico and paid him to take over this whole area. After that, Fort Davis was here to protect travelers, to protect people, to protect from Indian tribes, so the settlement can happen in the whole west of Texas, or the whole west. So yeah, this is a very, very interesting part of the United States. So, and also like of these type of sites of like forts and stuff like that, this is one of the most preserved places like that. I think in the whole Texas. I'm not sure if the whole United States, but I know for a fact that it's one of the most preserved places in Texas from the beginning of the southern country. So this is a furnished bed or furnished bedroom. So
I think my mom used to have a table like this. My grandma used to have it. This is where John would sleep. He played chess in another room. So you know the hospital ward in Harry Potter? Well, we found it.
The hospital who?
The hospital ward in Harry Potter.
Oh.
I don't know. It just reminded me of Harry Potter.
So we're back at the RV from the historical site in Fort Davis. That was pretty fun. For today, that's all. We're gonna be taking you guys throughout the weeks here in Fort Davis, all the different things that there is to do, how beautiful it is, and maybe we'll catch the change of weather when everything's gonna start being green. So hopefully we can show you guys that. But until then, this has been great. Thank you for watching, first of all. And please subscribe, comment, like. Yeah, you tell them, John. Yeah. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.